So let's make a pie chart out of priorities and make it interactive. The first thing you might have done already is to create tasks and priorities here in the B column. You might have already tried to select all of these, insert a chart, and then select pie chart. And you'll get this, column 2 must be numeric. So let's create the table of data that's going to be automatically updated, and this chart is going to be interactive. So we're going to need to create a new sheet, and we'll call this pie. We're going to do equals unique, and we're just going to grab the unique part of the B column. Actually, we want B2 colon B, and equals count if, and our range is going to be the B column again, and the criteria is going to be this A1 here. And now I'll copy paste this all the way down to however many we have, and now I can insert a chart. And the pie chart is automatically selected right now. I can copy and I can paste this. Now I have a pie chart that shows the priorities. And because this table over here is automatically updated, this pie chart will be automatically updated. So let's change this to urgent, and there we go. Let's change this to urgent, and you see the pie chart is automatically updating. If we want those colors to be aligned, let's go to edit chart and see if we can align these better. Let's customize, pie slice, and our urgent we want a darker red. Our low we want yellow. Our medium we want blue. And our high we want light red. There we go. So now our pie chart is color coded approximately the same as our priority. So if we change this to low, low, and low, you see the pie chart is interactive and it's automatically being updated. This is pretty cool, pretty nice way to visualize data, but just make sure you have that numeric table somewhere. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.